Welcome Flash Noob to FlashYoda.com. Today we're going to create a basic motion tween, or we're going to move a picture. Click on Action Script 3 after opening Flash. We're not going to use any code, but we're going to copy an image from the internet and paste it onto your stage, or go to File, Import, Import to Stage, and find a picture of that you can find off your computer. In this case, I'm going to open up Yoda.png. And here is the original size of the picture. Notice how using the selection tool I can move it around, and if you use the third tool here, which is the free transform tool, click on that, you can even scale it. In this case, I don't want to flatten it in a distorted way, so I'm going to press Ctrl Z to undo. I'm going to hold down the Shift button and grab a corner until the arrows become like that. Hold down Shift to make it a bit smaller, and hover the mouse till you see the 4 directions to the top left corner over there. So this is my original picture. I'm going to right click on this keyframe over here, the black keyframe, create motion tween. Now I'm going to drag this over to the bottom over here, and in this case I'm still on the free transform tool. I'm going to hold down Shift so I can scale it in proportion, make it a bit larger. In fact, I can even move my mouse to the corners until I see that little curly circular motion, and I'm going to change the rotation. And right now this all occurs in 25 frames. Press Ctrl Enter. You can see you have a motion there. It's moving, it's also scaling and rotating. Scale means to grow. If I click on the selection tool, notice how I can still move it around and adjust it, and the green line here kind of gives you a hint as to what the path we're following. Using the selection tool, if I move my mouse carefully, I can see there's a quarter circle type arc near the cursor there. Gonna click on it, and you can actually bend the curve, bend the path. Control Enter to run. You see Yoda here is flashing and flying in. How exciting. And finally, if you move the mouse near the timeline here, this represents times, 24 frames per second. This is going to occur in 1 second. I'm going to drag it so I double it. It's around 48 frames, which is about 2 seconds, which means that from the beginning, if I start clicking enter periodically in between, towards the end keyframe, it's going to take about 2 seconds. Control Enter, and here we have a flying Yoda. Congratulations, you now have some insight into creating a motion tween. May the Flash be with you.